Hello everyone, welcome to India's fastest growing e-learning platform AriserTalent. I'm your maths faculty Arpita Sharma. Students, we are discussing chapter linear equation in two variables. In that thing we have covered all the questions, the theory part, different types of steps, right? And we were discussing some more questions on that. Okay, I promised you to have more questions on that. Okay, so we discussed this denominator and numerator type question, right? And now we will be having this traveling questions. Travel, you like to travel? Okay, so we'll be discussing this traveling question. Now in this places A and B, now places A and B, we are having places A and B. Okay, so can I say this? This is my place A and this is my place B. Let's suppose we are having two brothers here and it's Abhishek here and it's Aditya here. Okay, so Abhishek one side and Aditya one side and both are having their own car. Right, this is one and this is the second. So Abhishek is on the station A and the Aditya on the station B. Right, now if one car from start from A and another from B at the same time, okay, if the car travel in the same direction now at a different speed, that means speed is different but the same is the direction is same and the time, the initial time, the second, the microsecond is similar, right? Same time, same direction but different speed. They meet in 5 hours. What time they take? They took 5 hours, right? So if they travel towards each other, the second condition, they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. They meet in one hour. Okay, what are the speed of two cars? What we have to know here, the speed of this car. Let's suppose speed of this car is V1 or we can say VA and speed of this car is VB. Now Aditya is here, sorry, Abhishek is here, Aditya is here, or can we just move Aditya's little here, like just be, let it be here, like this point B, that is Aditya. Okay, with his car. This is having velocity VB. Now what's happening in the first case? In the first case, they are moving in the same direction. If they will move in the same direction, if Abhishek will go this way, Aditya will go also this way. Now it's having some speed less than of Aditya. So Aditya will overtake at a particular point. They will meet at a point, na? Okay. If let's suppose he is driving his car on 40 speed and he is driving on car 60 speed. Now both will start traveling. So there will be a point, then they will meet. So, and if I assume that this direction, so if I am assuming this direction, what will it be? There will be a point C. There will be this side meeting point. This is the meeting point of whom? Abhishek and Aditya will meet this point. Right, they will meet at this point. If Abhishek is having some VA velocity and Aditya is having some VB velocity, they will be moving same direction, same time. Okay, now the second part saying again we are having here Abhishek and here Aditya with their car. Now they are moving in opposite direction. So if Abhishek will move in this direction, Aditya will move in this direction. Direction is opposite. Okay, one thing. Second thing, the velocities are also same. Here time taken was what? time taken was 5 hours. They meet after 5 hours. But here they will be meeting in 1 hour. Now the formula will be using. Okay. This is the formula. Right. And we will be talking in terms of distance. So this implies that distance will be equals to velocity multiplied by time. Okay, because we know about some distance. Now they are saying that tell the velocity. Tell the velocity of these two. So VA and VB will be having, this is VB. With this is VB. So what is the value of V and VB? The question is basically asking this. So now you cleared that thing in your mind that what this is saying to you. Right. Now talking about the question, this is our first condition, this one, and this is our second condition. Now the distance is 100. This is given 100 kilometer here, and again this will be 100 kilometer here. So if a point C is here, their meeting point, here it will also be having some C, their meeting point in the same direction. So this is same direction case, and this one is opposite direction case. Opposite direction case. Here we are having this D equals to V by T. Okay, these things we are going to use. T. Now students, what will be having the solution part here? Okay, the given things you know. Okay, I have told you all, I have summarized you all the things in this manner, so you can just write in your language. Now, for first condition, or maybe for both condition, let's have VA equals to X and VB equals to Y, right? Because we are familiar with X and Y in our equation, so we are using that, right? Now, D equals to V multiplied by T. For first condition, here, look here, AC is equals to AB plus BC, right? AC equals to AB plus BC. AC, meeting distance, right? Now, AB, 100 kilometers, and BC, distance travelled by B, or in our case Aditya. So, by person at B, that is Aditya. Okay, and that AB or AC is meeting distance, which is also equal to distance travelled by person at A. Okay, distance travelled by person at A. Now, AC, again D equals to V multiplied by T. Now, AC is this portion, right? So, what is this portion? AC, this is equals to distance traveled, this is AB, which is the 100 kilometers. Now BC is distance traveled by person B. Now person B's velocity of person B is VB, which is equals to Y. So Y is what? Y is the speed here. Speed here. In this case, we are not considering velocity, that will be speed here. So speed multiplied by time. So time taken 5 hours. Okay. In this case, AC, the distance equals to speed multiplied by time. Now the speed of this is x. We assume the person at A, that is Abhishek, is having some speed x. Okay, so I am having this speed x and time is again 5. We are calculating in kilometer per hour. This is kilometer and this is in hours, so we are basically calculating the things in kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is one. So that will be 5x equals to 100 plus 5y, or that can be written as x equals to 20 plus y, isn't it? So this is the basic equation first. This is the basic equation first. Now for the second equation. In the second case, for case number second. For case second, in this case, what you will find, AB equals to AC and CB. AB equals to AC plus CB. Or can I just bifurcate it by creating this C as C dash? So if this is C dash, that will be C dash and C dash here. Now, what is AC dash? AC dash, basically Abhishek was there and Aditya was there. So Abhishek travelled this much and Aditya travelled this much. Now this is the travelling of Abhishek and this is the travelling of Aditya. So I can write here the distance of Abhishek multiplied by the time taken by the Abhishek. Here speed of Aditya and the time taken by the Aditya. Now the time taken is same, that is 1. We have given 1 hour for the second category or second case. So here AC dash is equals to what? Distance travelled by person at AC dash A point, only A point, not A dash, that is A point. Okay, again here this C dash B is what? Distance travelled by person at B point. In our case, we have talked about that Aditya. Now, again, AB equals to 100 kilometer, that is given to you. This implies that AB equals to 100. I am putting the value in this. AB equals to 100 equals to AC dash. Now the velocity, the speed of Abhishek is what? X we have assumed. So simply X multiply by time is 1 hour, plus C dash B is about Aditya. Now Aditya having velocity y and having the time taken, so speed is y and the time taken is 1. Now that will be 100 equals to x plus y. Now student, look this, that x equals to 20 plus y. Put value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. Now this is equation 2. Sorry, not this one, but just this one. Okay, so that will be 100 plus x. 100 equals to, right? 100 equals to x. Now x value is 20 plus y. Plus y. Right? 20 plus y and this y. So that will be 20 plus 2y. That will be 20 plus 2y. So now when you will take common 2 here, this side if you will take 2 common here, that will be 50 equals to 10 plus y. Implies that y equals to what? 40. If y equals to 40, 100 equals to x plus y. So x plus y equals to 100. This implies that value of x will be 60. Value of x will be 60 kilometer per hour here and kilometer per hour here. So this will be the answer. This will be the answer. Okay. Right. So this is the question, student. We draw the diagram here and have that calculation right there. Now note the complete question so that we can move forward. Noted. Okay. Noted na? That was an interesting question about Abhishek and Aditya. Okay. Now, let's move to another topic, another question, another category of question. Now, this is the word problem based on rivers, like a person swimming or it's going on upstream or downstream, or a boat may be going upstream, downstream. We have known about the trigonometric ratios. We have also studied some category of question discussed there. Now there are some category here that we can solve by this. Okay, now talking about that, we are having a boat. A boat goes 16 kilometers upstreams. What I am saying? Okay, first goat, then upstairs. Okay, a boat goes 16 kilometers upstream and 24 kilometers downstream in 6 hours. Now, it can go 12 kilometers upstream and 36 kilometers downstream in the same time. Now, this is the punch. Same time. Time is given the same. Find the speed of the boat, not water. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. You have to find these two. Boat in still water is basically what is the speed of boat. Okay. Now we have to take both two cases in that, right? So how can we do that? We should draw a boat, right? So here it is. We are having two conditions, students. In that we are having a boat here, right? Here also we are having a boat, and we are having this direction, right? Like this, water is flowing. Now don't tell me that ma'am you have made this like this. No, I just can't make top view for that. Assume that this is a boat and the water is coming like this and the boat is going like this. Okay, like this and this. Okay, understood. Now, this is the first condition and this is the second condition. Now, we will be dealing with these two conditions. We have given two conditions, upstream and downstream. We will be marking them here. Okay, so, where is the condition? Boat goes 16 kilometer upstream. So, 16 kilometer here, upstreams, right? And 24 kilometer downstreams, 24 kilometers here. This is one and this is two. Now, in the second case, bifurcate these two. This is the second case. Upstream it's going 12 kilometers, right, and downstream it's going 36 kilometers, okay, in the same time. So, time is t here, time is t here. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So, we have to know, we have to talk about two things which are unknown here. So, let's suppose one is x and second is y. Let's talk this way, right. So, solution part, student. Let the speed of boat is x and stream y, right. Okay, now it's saying that it's going upstream and downstream having the same speed. So, for case 1, the time is same. So, time is what? Time is just distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. It is it? Right. So, if we will talk about this first case, we will be having the time is given 6 hours, right. So, total time is d1 by v1 plus d2 by v2. Now, in that case, the first case here, we are having the v1, that is first the v1 we are lacking something. Okay, so there will be this formula, that means the time is equals to distance by velocity. Now, if we talk about case first case, if we talk about the speed, the actual speed will be what? The combined speed will be what? Upstream, if it's going upstream and the water is flowing downstream. So, because due to gravity, this speed will be also opposing this speed boat and it's going forward. That means the speed is greater than this speed, right. So, that will be minus by them because they are in opposite direction. Stream is downwards and the boat is upward. Okay, so they are in opposite direction, so they will be subtract from each other. Okay, so speed of stream is what? Speed of stream is, we have assumed y, right. Now, speed of boat x. So the total speed will be x minus y, because this y is the stream speed. It will oppose it, na? So that will be value of our v. Now the distance is given. Distance is given, which is d1 in this case is 16 kilometers and d2 in this case is equals to 24 kilometers, right. Okay, now v1, that will be summation this time plus this time. Now, for upstream, that will be v1 equals to x minus y, that is speed of boat minus speed of stream. If it will go downwards, then v2 will be equals to x plus y, simply x plus y, why? Because the speed will add on it. This is the speed of stream, and that will be when you go on slides. Students understand it like this way. When you go on slides, so when you will be somehow some students, or what can say, some children what they say, they they climb on this slide. Now this direction, the slide's direction is this, but they are climbing this way. So there will be, they will be find difficult. So their speed will reduce. Now second case, they'll be sliding the way they should be on slides. Then the direction is like this only, and they are only this way. So their speed will add on. The speed will add on, then they can effortlessly slide on the slides. Same process. That will be V2 equals to, now that will become 16. If I put the value 16 upon x minus y plus, that is what, 24. 24 upon x plus y. Okay. Now 16 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y. This is t, the total time, which is nothing but 6 hours. 6 hours. Okay. This is the first thing. The second thing. Second thing is what? Again same things are happening. Now in this case, for second case, for case 2, this was for case 1, again t equals to d1 by v1 plus d2 by v2. Now in this case, we are having d1, d2, v1, v2. Again, if it's going downstreams, the value will be x minus y. For upstreams, that will be, the value of velocities will be same. Now the distance is changing, 12 kilometers and 36 kilometers. So that will be 12 kilometers and 36 kilometers. So can I put the values here? That will become here 12, that is t, or 6. 6 should be equals to, must be equals to 12 by x minus y plus 36 by x plus y. This is my equation 2. Equation 2, dear students. Now, I am talking about this, that have you ever seen this kind of equation? Have you ever seen? In this, I am having 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y. So, can I substitute it by some value? Let x minus y, sorry, it's not x minus y, it's 1 upon x minus y equals to p, right, and 1 upon x plus y equals to q. So, if I substitute the values, so equation 1 and 2 will become what? 6 equals to 16p plus 24q, right. Now, that will become 6 equals to 12p plus 36q, right. Now, I can have this value as, I can take 2 common from these 2, okay, else what I can take common? No, 2, okay. So, that value will become 3, here also 3, equals to 8p here, 8p here, plus 12q, 12q, here that will be 6p, 6p, that will be 18q, 18q. So, these will be the equations. Now, what can I do here is, I can just make these coefficients equal and then minus them. Now, can I multiply this and this to make the coefficients equal? What will we do? Multiply it by 6 and multiply it by 8, right. Now, you are clear with this diagram. So, can I remove this diagram? Okay, note this diagram if you have drawn. If you haven't, right. So, here, right, now I will be having these two equations. 18 equals to, I am multiplying the 6 to the whole equation, 18 will be equals to 42 of Q, I'm doing this in reverse, 42 of Q plus, that is 72, okay, 72 of Q, then plus of 48 of P. This is the first equation. Second equation, again 24 it is, right, 24, then P of 48 and Q of 144. Okay, now I am having these two equations. From these two equations, I just can subtract it. If I subtract it, that will cancel out, that will cancel out, and there will be 144 minus 72, 2 here and 7 here, that will be 72. Okay, so minus of 72 Q equals to 24, 6, okay, that will be 6 of minus, right. So, that will be Q equals to 1 by 6 by 72, that will be 1 upon 1 and 2. So, Q equals to 1 by 12. Now, understand this, Q equals to 1 by 12. If Q equals to 1 by 12, that means P will be equals to, now what is P? If I will go with this equation right there, that is 3 equals to 8P plus 12Q. So, but 3 equals to 8P plus 12Q, that will implies that 3 equals to 8P plus 12 multiplied by 1 upon 12, because value of Q is 1 by 12, that will cancel out, implies that P equals to what? 3 by 8, P equals to 3 by 8. Now student, you are having the value of P here, you are having value of Q here, okay, that was 3 HP plus 12Q, this cancel out, okay, that will become, right, okay. Now, can I rub this portion? Student, I'll be going to rub this portion for this, from this portion, okay. So, note this. So, come at this portion. Q equals to 1 by 12 we are having, P equals to 3 by 8 we are having, right. That's mean that 1 upon x minus y equals to 3 by 8, okay, and 1 upon x plus y is equals to 1 by 12, that means x plus y equals to 12. We have assumed that, na? So, we are substituting the value again. Now, that means 3x minus 3y equals to 8. If that's so, if I put the value, this is equation numbers, let us suppose third, right. So, can I put the value of x from there? This implies that 3. Now, value of x from here, x equals to 12 minus y. So, 12 minus y minus 3y equals to 8, isn't it? So, that will become 36 minus 3y minus of 3y equals to 8, that is minus of 9y equals to 8 minus 36, implies that 9y equals to, that is 8 here, and right? So y's value is, that is 36 minus 8, so 8 and so y's value will be equals to 28 by 9, right? Something like that, you can put the value of y here and get the value of x. Now you will be having the value of y here and value of x in what? In what you have asked? You have asked the speed, right? So in kilometer per hour. So that will be the question. So note this question, student. Okay, so this is about today. What we'll do some more question in our next lecture. Till then, take care students. Bye bye.